What are we doing staying at home? Just watching movies, spreading jokes and silly challenges on social media, or sleeping whole day? We never cared about people who were hungry and needy ones. We were so proud of ourselves, our lives, our technology. No luxury brands, money, freedom, health, weapons would save us from the afflictions but the God. Fear the time when it will enter our homes and we won't be able to do anything. We can't defeat Corona by just watching movies, spreading jokes, and most importantly by disobeying God. Believe me, this disease is a wrath of God. God was silent all this time. Whole world is infected, scientific research is failed, economy failed, zero social life. What else we are waiting for? Cosmopolitan cities are like no one ever lived there. We are scared of the disease but not scared of the God who has downgraded this affliction to us. How many of us started praying and repenting? Not necessary to check Corona updates every morning, but start your day by praying. Preach good deeds, spread positivity. Do not store grocery more than you need. Charity won't decrease your wealth. In fact, it purifies our wealth. Look around who didn't get paid, who are not working, and homeless people. Did we lose our faith in God? Don't we trust God anymore? Surrender yourself with sincere hearts, and He is the most merciful, the ever forgiving. Still, we have the time to repent. God immediately accepts our sincere apologies and forgive.
Let us all calm wrath of the God. Stop sharing jokes, stop hoarding groceries, start praying, start repenting, start helping people.